know, a lot of snow out here once again. We just come back. We're going to store for like an hour. About an hour. You can't even feel the little drink. Look at the car. He just speeding away. He's just speeding away. We're going to see him tomorrow. I saw his car turn around. I saw a car trying to get out the ditch. I don't know if you feel like down there, but you just little dumb pedestrians in the street. This is the ghetto. Yeah, I think they think just because it's off the street don't mean they're going, they just right in the middle of the street. Yeah. They blow at 4 o'clock. They leave it at 4 o'clock. And I said, okay. So when I'm hanging out, and I can find my room inside of the window, 3 o'clock, or 3 o'clock. I said, well, I'm supposed to be when they talk about 18 inches. Like, what? Oh, God. Another 12. Yep, it's our blizzard. 18 inches. I don't know who'll go there. Damn teenagers. No, I took the view. I took how to schedule it. I sent my Facebook email. We're gonna need to get that back. Yeah, I was thinking after New Year, after January, weekend after January. Look at that. She got her baby out here. Oh my God, all the Spanish people. If I go to the Sugar Shack, get the Coronas. Look at that. Spanish people. In the street. Okay. Having fun. We gotta go to Murray, rack up on the pupusas. Great job, man. Great job. You can't see nothing down the street. It's the man when he was and slipping and sliding. You know, them wheels like 10 inches too. But then there's the slipping and sliding. I ain't got no fish. I don't think I eat that. I never got no AC. They be riding with this little over. And them fans be running. Hanging out the side. Just like a 100 truck ain't got no AC in there. I'm a Roger truck. I think it's a Roger truck in the back. He didn't have AC. I think it was it. You can't drive in it because it's cold. That's probably what's the name, bro. You hear me? 18 inches, no, for us. And it's nowhere near over. It's only 1 o'clock. It's only 1:35, and the snow is nowhere over from being stopped. It's going to stop tonight around 1 o'clock in the morning. Back on Monday. Yes, he is. The dude we saw playing on the game on his phone, he bound to get hit. You can't see the cars no more. It's ridiculous. Want me to get out and tell you?